gonna be.
Oh.
What?
This is the most dangerous one.
We don't have any window.
You're an amazing guide, brother. In the hotel job, they pay employees 45.
Агра. Куда мы приехали? He's going to the call. Oh, look at this. Welcome to City of Love. Tomorrow we're gonna see this. I don't want to do really a room tour because it's very simple room, even though it's 5-star hotel. But you know, we in Agra. The weirdest, we don't have any window in the bedroom. Very nice. Well, at least here. We came for massage. Let's see how it will be. Booked for 1 hour. Yeah, very village style. Oh, another one. Reality of India. I don't know what can I do, but I need to make my 10,000 steps.
You like
You
Putin?
look. I've heard Putin is very
I
popular
like
here.
all good people.
My friend told me today. It's almost 7 a.m., 6:30, and we're going to Taj Mahal.
Oh, it's foggy, huh? Let's see how Taj Mahal will work.
I will tell you the entire history and explain to you everything, and whatever I know, I will give like 200%.
Wow.
But the thing is
Thank
that
you.
once we get in, then only the the environment is
Yeah,
there to
yeah, I
tell.
agree. Yeah, why we need to know
Because
now?
if I tell here,
Yeah.
you will not have that feeling.
But today is free ticket. It's only once a year. Free ticket.
Yes, once.
Wow. Can you imagine how well, I'll rather pay and have no fog. But I guess we have to be grateful and happy anyway. And normally how much?
Normally, it is like for the ticket, it is 1,300 rupees, like 1,300.
You want microphone, honey?
Here, no microphones allowed.
What do you mean? No, like microphones?
Yes.
Even small ones?
Even small ones are not allowed. Don't go close because they are eating right now.
Actually, on the picture you can see better, like it's better visibility.
Mm. Wow. That's very smart.
The 16th century in the year 1526. And then after his next generations have ruled over India for more than 200 years.
Wow.
Like the first was Babur, then his son Humayun, then Akbar, then Jahangir, then Shah Jahan, and then Aurangzeb. He was the fifth. And Shah Jahan was the man who constructed this Taj Mahal on the memory of his wife. You see flowers?
Okay, this is how it works. From here you can take picture of Taj Mahal. It's beautiful. It looks like this. This is how it looks, and this is the reality.
But what to buy here? Really? I don't even know. Like we don't need anything.
I just tell you something. What Agra is basically famous for? Agra is basically famous for the Mughal English work.
These are for the tabletop. You can place them all on your table.
Different kind of bird you can see inside,
Yeah.
and different kind of you can.
We didn't see any, so it's not gonna be different. It's gonna be like, what?
The cow.
What is cow?
You can find easily monkeys, doggies, and cows.
Cows.
And
Okay.
everywhere you can find.
So we have second attempt to see Taj Mahal.
And this is hotel called for Amar Vilas Hotel. This is very expensive hotel in Agra. When we go room, lobby, everywhere you can see the view of Taj Mahal.
Oh, nice.
From room you can see Taj Mahal.
What is the name?
Amar Vilas. Now it is foggy. That's why December and January less foggy. After 15 December to 15 January, 1 month is foggy here.
Oh.
And if you want to come before if you want before December, November, October is very good time for the visit. If you come September, is also very good.
First time in India we smell good. You know.
Bird,
Natural birds.
natural birds you can see, and you can see different kind of trees.
A monkey.
Monkeys you can see everywhere and also.
So we're doing nature walk. We'll find some beautiful spot to see Taj Mahal from the little bit distance.
Yeah, it's got hot.
It's not hot, but it's warm compared to
This morning was
yeah.
freezer.
This is the national bird in India. Bird
Peacock?
in India. Peacock.
They're beautiful. This is a boy or girl?
That's a.
That's a girl's.
I think that's girl. If you want picture, I click your picture. Sit down from the side.
No, it's okay. It's maybe we have better. I think there is better views, right? Okay, yes. What about this one? Best Taj Mahal sunset point?
This is behind of the Taj Mahal.
Can we walk there or?
Yeah, this is.
Yeah, we can. Ah,
This is inside the Taj Mahal, the guest house side.
no, Taj Mahal is here.
Yeah, this is where this place.
This.
Oh, this guy is beautiful. Or a girl.
Do you think you can see something from there?
will see the Taj Mahal.
Wow, so many ants. Why there is so many ants?
Because they like Taj Mahal view.
Don't have a Taj Mahal view, but it's covered here. But you can see.
You're an amazing guide, brother. Very good. Wow, it's
Look outside, we'll go.
Taj Mahal is amazing.
Yeah.
I hope we're not gonna climb the tree, brother, okay?
In Indian dishes, guys, this is so good. This is naan bread. Oh my god. And this guy is working.
Saturday.
We didn't see Taj Mahal, so we decided to work.
Looks
We
really
have so much bread now.
Oh. It's here, honey, look.
I missed them. I guess
Look.
I already got used to it.
Please don't go near them. Just come there.
The first time we went to Delhi. In Delhi, we stayed there for work. And I go out, and I see monkey in the street, like in the city.
Yeah, it's usual.
Attempt number 3.
So the ticket cost 1,300 rupees here. So 2,600.
Okay.
What do we do? Anti-monkey message. This is the most dangerous monkey.
Actually, their face look like people. No?
Yeah, some people even say like
Yeah.
you're Homo sapiens. So.
I think this is happening. We are inside of Taj. Not inside, but we're through security gate. And this is the main gate to Taj Mahal.
Okay, story time. So today we'll learn about the Mughal Empire in detail. This empire ruled India for over 300 years. And its rulers were called as Mughals. You know the meaning of this word Mughal?
Mongol, Russian guys.
Ah, yeah.
Yesterday.
So this Mughal word is Indian, came from the Persian word Mughal. Why Mongol? Because the Mughal king, the first one, he came from Afghanistan, Uzbekistan side. He was not from Mongolia.
Because Mongolia?
Yeah, they were not from their place. So the reason is that it's related to their ancestry. From father's side, the first Mughal king, he was a Turk, but from mother's side, he was the descendant of this famous Mongol king Genghis Khan.
Genghis Khan.
Genghis Khan. And he accepted this name because he knew that Indian kings fear the descendant of Genghis Khan.
Of course, everybody fears Genghis Khan. Ooh.
There's an illusion here, optical illusion. As you move forward, feels like the white building is going backwards, like you are unveiling the top.
At least we can see it.
But you can still see, you can see it.
Not on camera. Oh yeah, you can see it on camera.
It was a Turkish architect named Afandi something, yeah. But many of them now says that it was from Persia, Iran, and his name was Ahmad Lahori. How we get to know about his name? Because there was a book written by his son, the architect's son, that he says in his book that my father was the one who built it.
But other than book, who certifies that?
It's the historians.
Is it because it's only one book that was written that says that?
Yeah, all because of that. Because he also built Red Fort in Delhi, the same architect.
Oh.
There's also a famous picture spot. Went back to his father and announced his wish to marry that girl. And his father accepted. Soon they were betrothed. But it wasn't that smooth. There were many hurdles. First one was the astrologer, the royal astrologer. Because of that special day, it shows that on that day all the stars would be aligned in some special manner. So he chose that day, which is 5 years after the engagement. So you can imagine 5 years of anticipation, letters exchanged.
Oh, they couldn't like move together or anything.
No, they can't.
Because
Only the
They
letters.
couldn't touch each other.
No, only through the letters and glances.
That's a strong foundation.
Yeah.
So after 5 years, they got married, and what was in the year, that prince then becomes the king. Powerful king had an army of more than 80,000 men. So what this king did, he invited a king from Afghanistan. Babur, help me win this war. I'll pay you some money. You can go back home. Black onyx, semi-precious. Malachite, green.
Wow.
This is coral. We get this from coral reefs. Agate, colorful one. This one is Indian, yellow, jasper. And others are from different part of the world. This one is cornelian, very beautiful semi-precious stone because this is translucent, light passes through. When the sun's rays falls on it, it shines golden. But imagine when the moon's light falls, it looks like ruby, precious. So they are chipped in 5mm deep approximately. Purana marble is one of the hardest marbles in the world because normally we get the marble from the mountains, but this one we get from the under the earth. It originates from the Himalayas, from the glaciers, and drains out in the Bay of Bengal.
What time?
It's 4:30.
4:30 the flight?
Yeah, take off
But I think it's
4:30.
gonna be delayed because I think it's gonna be delayed by one.
Lucky lady to see Taj Mahal after 3 times attempts.
3 git change.
3 git change. Third one was the best.
This was one very good
Last
today.
one, last
Yeah, it was very good guide.
Anjur.
Anjur.
Very good. Super professional. Goodbye, Agra. A very interesting country.
Very, very expensive. The waiting hall, the right inside that one, very expensive. Yes. Marriage there, lot rich people there. Really nice. There's a hotel. Now the from here the turn also left for Delhi.
Bye, Agra.
Here the only 4,000 rupees month in Agra.
4,000 per month
Yes.
salary.
Salary.
That's $45, right?
Just yes. But depend for guest. You go for tips for like that. Otherwise nothing.
Honey, the salary in Agra, $45 per month.
Per
In
month.
the hotel they pay.
Yeah. Depend for tourist.
In the hotel jobs,
Uh-huh.
in courtyard, they pay employees
44.
$45 per month.
Month.
Wow.
4,000
Rupees.
Oh
rupees.
wow, why so little?
But depend for tourist. For tips.
Okay, going to
New Delhi.
New Delhi and home Dubai. Yes, finally. But
Interesting
Taj
trip.
Mahal was very nice.
So my friend, you see the green and yellow, the
Yeah.
Taj
field.
Mahal was
Yes.
pretty
The green
cool.
one, the mustard, this this wheat seed, and yellow one, this a mustard seed.
Mustard?
Yeah, green.
nice.
The green, the wheat powder, the trees.
Buckwheat?
Wheat
Beet.
for making the chapatis.
And this is river, which one?
Yamuna
Yamuna.
river.
This is river or Taj Mahal on this river, right?
Yes.
Bye, India.